So let us write the, then we have to write down the push operation here. Whenever we push, we are push the character. So we have to write down void push character we have to pass because it is a string. So before that, we have to declare a array where we have to perform the stack operation. So it is a character array. So we have to write down character stack. So for example, size is 20. We have to declare top also, top equal to -1. Then we have to, whenever we go for push operation, at that time we have to check which value, whether it is a overflow or not. So actually, whenever we are going for small program or small thing, we don't require that much to write down the is empty, is full. Direct we are using it. So here what have to do? We have to first we have to increment the top and we have to store the value. So stack first we have to increment means plus top value is incremented. Then we have to store the C whatever character we pass. So this is the push operation. Then we have to go for pop operation. Pop operation return a character value. So we have to return value character. So which value it will return? It will return the topmost element. So here I write down character C. Then C store which value? Stack top. Then top value is decremented by one value and return C. So it returns the topmost value C. So this is our push and pop operation is over. So let us start the main function. So this is our main function. So here we need two string. First string to input a string and another string to store the reverse of the input string. So we have to declare character. For example, size is 100 and another reverse string store the size also. Both are we make that the same. And whenever we read, we also require on character value. So we just declare C as a character variable. For loop, we require one variable. So I make integer I. So printf enter the string. So first we have to read the string by help of getTest function. So here we read the value. Once we read the value, then we have to push into stack. So I equal to 0. AI not equal to \0. So this is the end of any string. So this is our termination condition. Then I plus plus. So whenever we have to read the string, what we have to do? We have to extract the value that is stored inside the C variable. We store in C variable. Then we have to push C. So once this for loop is over, at that time we are already push all the element into the stack. Next thing we have to pop one by one element. So we have to write down for I equal to 0. Top is greater than equal to 0. Whenever top equal to 0, at that time we are already reached the end of the stack. I plus plus. So here what we have to do? We have to just put the value in the reverse string. So reverse string is the R. We have to pop the value and store inside that. Once the for loop is over, means all the character transfer into the array are. After that, as it is a character string, so last character should be backslash 0. So we make this one as a 0. So this is our string completed. Then we have to print the value reverse of a string. So here also we print the string by help of the put s. Put means and print s means for the string. The string we want to print, so then return 0 because we declare integer main. Let us compile the program. No error. So we have to run the program. Enter the string. I enter A, B, C, D, E. Output is reverse. But here what happened whenever we enter the string, it is no space. Let the put the space here. Here's one space tab. Let us compile. Run the program. So if I write down, welcome to stack. So it will return. So this is the reverse of a string. So this is the way we can use a stack as a reverse of the string. Same program we can modify to check a string is palindrome or not by using the stack. Here what happened? Whatever string we get, we may if we compare with the A and R, if both are string is same, then what happened? It is a palindrome. For example, I execute this one. Here what happened? If I write down madam, reverse is the madam or not? So now this string is a palindrome. This is our complete program. Let us understand how the program is going to be executed. So in this program, there are three functions is present. Here we declare the one stack that is the size is 20. So this is for example our stack is so size is 1 to 19. Then we declare a top is variable -1 means top constant. So this is our top right now constant -1 value whenever we insert value or post value 1 by 1 it is increment. This is the top function, this is the main. Here what happened? There are two arrays present. One array is A and another array is reverse. Both are same size. This is reverse. Then we declare another variable that is I. Printf enter the strings. Whatever we enter the string, it will be stored inside the A. For example, I enter the value A, B, C, D. So whenever we are enter the value A, B, C, D, then what happens? It is backslash 0. Automatically it's true because it is a string. So now for I equal to 0, so initialization 0. AI is not equal to backslash 0. Yes, it is true because it is A value. Then what happened? Whatever value of A, we store it, whatever value of AI is A0. What is value A? So now C store the value of A, then push C. So we push the value that is A. Ending curly bracket, go to starting curly bracket, I value is incremented by 1. Then A1 is B. B is not equal to max. If it is true, body of the for loop is executed. C store the value of B, then push B. So we store the value B. Then the I value is incremented by 1, that is 2. A2. A2 is C. C is not equal to backslash, so it is backslash 0. So it is true, means body will be executed. C store the value of C, then push C. So we store the value of C. Then I value is incremented by 1, that is 3. 3. Then D. D is not equal to backslash 0. If it is true, then what happened? Body of the loop is executed, so C store which value? A3. A3 value is D. Now push D. So we push the D. So now top is point to this value up. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will point to the 3. So these total 3, 2, 1 and this is 1 it is. So now I value is incremented by 1, 4. So 4 means A4 is backslash 0. So now it is true. If it is true means this for loop now was not going to execute. Next for loop is executed. Next for loop is for I equal to 0. So now initialization I equal to 0. Top is greater than equal to 0. Yes, top is right now which value? 3. Top value is 3. Then what happened? We have to pop the value and store inside the Ri. So this is our R. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So R0 store the first pop value. What is the pop value? D. So it's still the 0. Then the I value is incremented by 1. Top is greater than equal to 0. Yes, after pop operation, top points to this value. Then what happened? A2 store the which value? C value. Then its value is incremented. After that, it will point to top which points to this one. Then top is greater than equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Then what happened? It will store the value of P. Similarly, A. Then it will stop. After that, what happened? Top points to minus. So top is minus 1 means this condition is false. So now what happened once it's done? After that, anyhow, this value is incremented by 1. So here we store which value? Backslash 0. Because whenever you go for string in a C art programming, it will be ended with the backslash 0. So we are make this as a string. Then printf reverse of a string. So this is putS. So putS means we have to put a string. Which string? String. So output will be displayed DCDA. So this is the way the program is executed. So reverse of a string by using star. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you are able to understand the application of the star, reverse of a string.